How to transfer funds from Scotiabank to another bank. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To transfer your fund from Scotiabank to another bank, log in into your Scotiabank online banking account. Navigate to the Transfer Fund or Bill Payment section. Select the option to transfer fund to an external bank. You will have to enter the recipient bank's information, including the account number, transit number, and institution number. Specify the amount you want to transfer to the recipient bank account. Confirm the transfer. In exceptional cases, sometimes the transfer may delay. In the case of currency conversion or if there is some sort of weekends or holidays. So if you are planning to transfer, make sure to do it before any of the holiday or weekdays. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.